in so many relationships, when one person, and I'll just make this a lot more archetypal and just a bit more generic for a moment. One person goes out and gets super excited about a new thing they're developing, or that they're discovering, or that they're discovering inside of themselves, or a language that they want to learn. And they come back. There's always this sense of vulnerability when you want to bring it back to your tribe in a way, whoever you identify as your people, your community, your family, your friendship group, wherever it is. When there's something that is meaningful and has potential and you sort of bring it back, there's a bit of vulnerability about whether or not people are going to receive it in the spirit with which you're offering it. Especially when there's an implied invitation to them to also do something differently. And I'm hearing you holding that with a lot of care and a lot of awareness and a lot of consciousness, and wanting to be really thoughtful about the impact. And the one piece that I'll just add is sometimes we have a vision of how things could be even better. And it's that vision that we carry of, wouldn't it be great if we could all, whatever it is? That vision is the thing, is where our courage comes from. So if you decide that there's a longing that is pulling you forward and there is something that you're wanting to invite them into, your courage will come from the beautiful vision that you're holding of what's possible. And when it comes from that energy, not from a critique of how it is now, but when it's coming from the energy of inspiring people into what is possible and leaving everybody in full choice about whether they get excited or not, and just checking things out with no demand that they want it or not, that's when we're starting to have a very different kind of conversation.